Hello and welcome again on SBR SEO-Business-Reviews channel. Thank you for all your subscribers, and now I will explain to you the gifts. I have already done a video about HercuList here, about the website HercuList. As you see, 27 minutes you can watch it, how to subscribe and how to get traffic and send 50,000 email to the inbox with free with HercuList. And now I will show you the gift I have already said. Now I will show you the gift about the website HercuList. So before I start, I will go to the dashboard of HercuList. This is the dashboard of the HercuList website. So it's very simple. Type your username and password and the captcha and click login to sign in. To sign up, click on sign up. You will be redirected to this page. This page of the sign up: first name, last name, where did you hear us from, for example here Google, and here type your username, your password, re-enter your password, subscribe email if you want to give them subscribe email is recommended, and here the main email, and click agree like that. Agree on the two cases, and click here on je ne suis pas un robot and create account. It's very simple. Fill this information and activate your email from Gmail. Activate your account. So here click on this page login, and this is my username and password. I will click on the captcha and login. It's very simple. The gift I have already said. I will now show you the gift in your Gmail, account. When you sign up, you have here the subscribe email is required here, and the main email. The main email is your email, and the subscribe email is the same email or another email, and that's important. The subscribe email here the gift in the subscribe email. Here the gift. I have the same email, the main email as the subscribe. I have already signed up with the same email. For you have the choice. If you want to subscribe with the same email, you have the choice, but the gift is here in the subscribe email. So here I have signed in, and I will wait a moment because my internet is so slow, the internet speed. So here my inbox, and that's the gift. And you see here many emails on HercuList. HercuList send me many emails, but those emails containing 15 credits. For every email contain 15 credits. You can gain those credits and convert them to emails. I will show you now. My dashboard is opening. It's not important. Now we click on HercuList like that on this email. I will show you everything on the video. Don't worry. And you see, this is the email. This is all the email offer. Here the offer, and here the offer, here everything here. But here this ad submitted by admin, and it is worth 15 points, as you see here. You will find this on all HercuList emails. Click on it, and you will be redirected to a page of HercuList. Like that. Wait in a moment. I will pause the video. And as you see here, I have gained 50 mailer credits, and I have a total of 87,000 total credits. And click close and go to the other email like that. For example, this email, and click on it, and search for this phrase, this ad submitted by admin and word, and click on it and repeat it with many emails. You will see here your account, view website below while we credit your account, and that HercuList admin will give you 15 credits for free without paying anything, and that's the gift. And you can send email with those credits, and you see here, yes, he gave me 15 mailer credits for emails, and close it and return back to the email and click on it. Here you have two emails, HercuList, and you see number 2 behind HercuList. Click on it and search, and this is the phrase, and click on the link, and you will see now the HercuList page, and it will give you 15 credits. And every time you enter your Gmail, you will find emails like that, and click on the 15 points and gather points, and finally you will convert those points to emails like that. Close to click on HercuList, the next email here, and you will gather another 15 points, and that's the work. You have to work like that. Every time you have to work like that. It's a very good idea to work like that every time. 15 points, and every 2 points give you an email, and close it and return back to the emails and complete all those emails from HercuList like that. Complete all those emails, 15 credits, 15 credits every email, so like that. And click on members and go to your dashboard to send your emails. It's very simple to send your emails. It's very simple. You click on add mailer. Wait in a moment. This is to advertisement. Close it like that. Close the first and close the second, and you will see your dashboard. This is your dashboard, as you see now. If you want to send emails with those credits, click on add mailer like that. It's very simple, and you will see click on continue to add mailer here from the bar, the upper bar, and now we will see 2 email forms here. Regular mailer give you 1000 email daily without any credits. It's the regular mail, and you have K mail if you have buy the keys, and here you have HercuList ad design. You have credits mailer. If you have credits, you will see your credits here. I have 87,214 credits available. I can send emails with these credits. 1 member is reached for every 2 credits. It means 1 member, 1 email is reached for every 2 credits. Click here your subject line, your URL or website, the ad body here, and here click the number of credits you want to spend. If you want to spend 87,000 and so now click that number here and click submit. Fill that form with the information you want to send, and here the credits you want to spend, and click submit ad, and you will send all those emails to all those subscribers. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. This is HercuList website. You can sign up and send many emails. If you want more information, comment in the video and they will explain to you more. If you want anything about the website, write it on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and that's the gift and the email. Every day you can click on that email, for example, and go to HercuList add credit, like that. You see this button and click on it, and you will go directly to that page, and wait 20 seconds. After you wait the 20 seconds, you will get 15 credits. Very simple, and that's the gift of today. It's very simple for everyone. If you don't want to buy packages, you can work free. If you have money, buy the packages. There is many packages on the website, and close. So thank you for watching. See you next time.